Several years ago, I took one of our existing products called a DEK DOT and found it could be adapted beyond decks into the masonry trades such as concrete or brick pavers, as well as marine docks. To address these applications specifically with a design for a very easy installation, we are proud to announce our new PAVER DOTS. The design utilizes our plug-and-play cable system, which greatly simplifies the installation process and replacement of a light if for any reason it becomes unusable. The new design allows for more light output with a more transparent housing and uses the latest generation of CREE LEDs. Just like its predecessor, this light is completely waterproof. The light assembly includes an adapter for using the same 3/4 inch PVC pipe for housing the wires as used with the DEK DOTS. The lights are sold in a kit with a transformer, timer, 8 lights, 7 of which have the 2 connector on them for power in and power out to the next light, and 1 3 connector for receiving the power cable from the transformer. This allows you to split into 2 directions if you need to, plus we include cabling to go between each light. If you need longer spacing between lights, let us know when you're placing the order and we can accommodate that with a nominal upcharge. We also offer additional lights in packages of 4 to allow for virtually any job size. The transformers supplied with the kits can power up to 30 PAVER DOTS. If you need more lights than that, just use the transformer calculator at the website and let us know which transformer you need when you place your order. Okay, let's get into the installation. The installation starts with determining the pattern and spacing of the lights, which is purely what works best for you. We use the same 3/4 inch PVC pipe and connectors as before, but we now substitute the 3/4 inch pipe protruding from the finished concrete with this adapter and LED housing, and the wire is replaced with plug-and-play cables. So no more crimping of connectors is required, greatly simplifying the installation. The light housing is 4 inch in length, so when you pour the concrete, you need to make sure the housing is perpendicular to that surface, and that you have at least 1 inch of the housing left after trimming it flush with the concrete after cure. This allows the double O-ring light assembly to seal inside of the housing. So the steps are: make the PVC pipe configuration with the plug-and-play cables already installed and the cable connectors taped to the outside of the housing. Make sure the housings are kept vertical during the pour process. Allow the concrete to cure. Push the connectors down into the housing below the cut line of the concrete. Cut the housing flush with the concrete. Pull the connectors back out and attach the light. Start with the first light that uses a 3-way connector already plugged into the transformer. That way you have power to the first light and subsequent lights you add to the circuit. Once the light comes on, push it into the housing until both O-rings seal and you're on to the next light. For paver installation, the sequence is virtually the same, but instead of concrete, you need to drill a 1 1/4 inch hole in a paver. With pavers, you have the option of not using the PVC pipe, but we advise that you do as added protection to the cables. That's all there is to it. A good system now has become a great system. The new PAVER DOTS from DEKOR.